Welcome to Lucid Study. This is Satya. How are you guys? Hope you are doing fine. Children, stay home, stay safe. And now, today we are going to learn the chapter called Simple Equations, which is one of the very easy chapter and the very important chapter also. So this Simple Equations is of class 7th, chapter 3 from AP textbook. So now, let us get into the topic. Children, in our 6th class, we have learnt about Introduction to Algebra. How many of you remember that topic? Maybe all of you, because that is one of the very easy and interesting topic. So in the chapter Algebra, we have learnt about variables. That means how to use alphabets instead of numbers. That's quite interesting and that's very easy also. So now we are going to continue the topic Introduction to Algebra, but in the name of Simple Equations. So now let us get into the topic. So now here is my question. There are two sisters, Seema, Reema. Seema is the older one, Reema is the younger one. Now here starts my question. Seema is 2 years older than Reema. Then what is Seema's age? The only thing we know here is that Seema is 2 years older than Reema. To find out Seema's age, what we have to do now? We have to add 2 to Reema's age. What is Reema's age now? Do we have Reema's age in the question? No, we don't have Reema's age. Without knowing Reema's age, how can we find Seema's age? That is impossible. So what we do now? Now there is an unknown quantity here. We use that unknown quantity. We represent that unknown quantity with the help of variables. Now what I am going to do is, I will consider Reema's age. I will consider Reema's age as a variable. Which alphabet? You can use any alphabet from A to Z. I will use X. I'll use Reema's age as X. Now I got Reema's age. So easily I can find out Seema's age also. So Seema's age. What is Seema's age now? Seema is 2 years older than Reema. Now to Reema's age, we have to add 2. What is Reema's age? X. Now I will add 2 to X. Now this is Seema's age. So this is how we use variables in our real life. So what you have to remember always, you have to remember that when there is an unknown quantity, we use variables. We use alphabets to represent this unknown quantity. Is that clear? I hope it's clear. Now let us move on. So now here is my second example. There's a father, there's a daughter. Now the question here, listen carefully to the question. The age of the father is twice the age of the daughter. Find the age of the father. I am repeating the question again for you. The age of the father is twice the age of the daughter. Find the age of the father. The only thing that we have in this question is the age of the father. Father's age is twice, double the age of daughter. So let us write it in the form of variables now. See, given, what do we have in the question? Father's age is double the age of daughter. First of all, what is daughter's age? Do we have the age of the daughter? No. Now what we have to do? We have an unknown quantity. When we have an unknown quantity, we represent that unknown quantity in the form of variables. So, let the age of daughter be, I am going to consider the age of daughter as a variable. You can use any alphabet now. Let us use M. M. The age of daughter is M. Therefore, the age of father is, what is the age of father, children, now? We have the age of daughter. So easily we can find the age of father also. The father age is double the age of daughter. The age of daughter is M. So double of M is nothing but 2 multiplied by M. 2 into M is 2M. So age of father is 2M. So I hope you learnt about variables. This is how we use variables to represent unknown quantities.